Hi, I'm Nathan from ProLine range hoods, and today we're going to show you how to remove rust from a cast iron skillet. Go from this to this. Some things you might need for this is a sink, a stovetop, soapy water, white vinegar, an oil with a high smoke point like canola oil, a scrubby brush, and paper towels. Step 1. Fill your sink with a 1-to-1 ratio of water and white vinegar and make sure your pan is fully submerged in the water. Step 2. Let it soak for 1 to 2 hours. Depending on the toughness of the rust, you might need to let it soak for a little bit longer, but after about an hour, take it out and try to scrub some of the rust off to see if it comes off easily. Step 3. Remove all the rust from your pan using a scrubby brush or steel wool. If you're worried about taking off all the seasoning, don't worry about it because you're going to re-season it later. Step 4. Rinse the pan with water. If you still see rust, just keep scrubbing. You want all the rust to be gone. Step 5, we're going to completely dry the pan out with paper towels or a dish towel. And then step 6, we're going to re-season the pan, which we have a link to the description below on how to do so with a step-by-step guide. Following the step-by-step, you should have your pan looking almost brand new. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.